Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So starting off this look, I am going to be clipping my hair up. I'm going to take my Cetaphil moisturizer and apply that all over my face. My face has been very dry lately because of the weather. And yeah, I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Now I'm going to be using my Too Faced primer Hangover and apply that right in the center of my face and spread it all out my face. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows using the Anastasia brow brush and also my Anastasia pomade in medium brown. And I like to brush my eyebrows so I know where or like the shape of my eyebrows, and then I like to start from the bottom and then run roughly through my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use the Kat Von D concealer and then clean my eyebrows with using this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to clean right underneath my eyebrows where I've done some mistakes or just want to clean it up a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking my sponge and then blend that concealer out. And now I'm going to be setting it with this Anastasia brow gel and just roughly brushing right through it. Now I'm going to conceal my eyelids using this Maybelline concealer and just putting that right on my eyelids. And then I'm going to take my sponge and then blend that all out. Then I'm going to be setting that with some air sponge powder. Using the Morphe Exchange Charles palette, and I'm gonna go through those colors and use this BH Cosmetics brush and first dip in 518 and place that right on my crease, making sure it's all blended out. And then you're gonna see I'm gonna keep packing so I could pick up more product on my eyelids. And then I'm gonna go in with your Kidding and place that right on the outer eyelid and just do like a V motion on my eyelid, and then place that as well as in my inner tear duct, just adding a halo effect. Now I'm gonna go back to 518 and place that right above that your Kidding color and then blend that right there. I'm also gonna make like a wing liner effect. Now I'm gonna go back to B and then place that right above that color. Now I'm gonna place that Kat Von D concealer and then blend that all out, making as like a halo eye effect. And then right there I'm placing the color literally on the lid. Now I'm going to be curling my lashes with this Tarte curling lash and just curl my lashes away. Now I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. As you guys know, this is my favorite mascara. And just apply that right on my lashes. Now I'm going to be taking a makeup remover wipe and just clean out any fallout I have underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to go to my L'Oreal True Match foundation. As you guys know, this is my Holy Grail foundation, and place that right in the palm of my hand take my finger and just dab that foundation in my face, and then taking my Equal Tools Beauty Blender and blend all that foundation out. Also blending that foundation down my neck as well. Now taking that concealer again, the Maybelline, and then placing that right under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, my nose, and my Cupid's bow, and then blending that out with the same sponge. Now setting that with the air sponge powder, I'm gonna bake underneath my eyes, so that way that concealer could be set very well under my eyes. I also tend to crease under my eyes, but that's why I like this powder for that. Blending that in my nose, my chin, my forehead. And as well, I'm gonna carve out my cheekbones, so that way when I apply my bronzer, I could have a very sharp cheekbone with my bronzer. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be adding the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil with my BH Cosmetics brush, and just blending that in my forehead, my cheekbones, as well as in my jawline and down my neck. And now I'm going to be using the Anastasia blush kit, and I'm going to use that color and with a BH Cosmetics brush, and then apply that. Now I'm going to be taking the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in Snow Angel and taking a little bit of Mario Badescu spray, spraying that a little bit on my Anastasia highlighter brush, and place that highlighter right on my cheekbone. Guys, this highlighter is stunning. It's very beautiful. And also applying a little bit of highlighter on the top of my eyebrows. I am also going to take that same highlighter and place that right on my brow bone. I'm going to also place that same highlighter on my tear duct as well. And now I'm gonna use my Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil and Kismis and underline my lips with that. And now I'm gonna take the Lip Good lipstick in Kismis and apply that all over my lips. You guys, this color is stunning. I just love it. Now I'm gonna top it off with this Kylie Cosmetics Milks and Cookies Glitter Gloss, just to set this whole look up. And now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Mascara Telescopic and apply that in my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna be setting my face with this Mario Badescu facial spray to set my face. And this concludes this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, peace.